Upon his most, today's video is going to be on internet sensation Rose and her boyfriend Expert. Alright, to each them own, but I've noticed that Rose has become a video vixen. If you don't want to call her a video vixen, let's say the lead lady in these music videos. This is the third music video that I'm seeing Rose in. So what I like to know is why them not spending money on Rose. Why them not put her into the video as is, and at the end of the day people are run to the video just to see her. Who not take her for fool or take her for clown because of her behavior. Them not do Rose ear, no makeup, no clothes, no nothing. I doubt them even not give her money. Or when them do, are them big only man clothes, something that them put on the girl and them make money off of the girl. And I don't like it. Now this is a new video.
Where you in the world? Where you day? Where you day? Where you
every day just argument. You love the beat like a parliament. Not the way you say it not accurate. First thing you're less fortunate. Just go on. Right now I guess me got my foot on. Sorry tell her this but you know me